Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Again, I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes para maghatid po sa inyo ng napakagandang bakbakan po ngayong Friday afternoon. It's the battle for the top spot para sa ating Division 1. It's the ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Tigers. At live na live po tayo dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa tapatan po ng ating first and second spot sa ating juniors basketball. And of course, mapapanood din po tayo ng live sa ating mga Facebook pages sa One Media TV 48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page, and Oragon Sports TV. Kung kaya naman po, para sa ating mga team bahay dahil medyo maulan ata sa ating labas, kaya naman pwede nyo po kaming mapanood sa ating mga live coverage. And of course, mag-comment down below po kayo sa mga gusto nyo pong suportahan na teams ngayong hapon na ito. And as we can see now, punong-puno na po ang loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Kaya dahil talagang lahat po sila ay nag-aabang para sa laban ng dalawang magagaling na teams sa ating Division 1. Ito pag-usapan natin itong ating dalawang kupunan. The NCF Tigers, wala pa po silang talo during this elimination round of our Juniors Division. 8-0 doon po sa kanilang standing ngayon. Habang itong kabila naman po, the ACLC Hawks, meron na po silang 7-1. At kung mananalo po ang ACLC Hawks ngayong hapon na ito against the NCF Tigers, makukuha po nila ang top spot having an 8-1, habang itong ating NCF Tigers magiging 8-1 din po. At makakakuha sila ng kanilang unang talo if ever man po na makuha ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. At doon nga sa ating unang round ng elimination, nakuha ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang panalo dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Kaya abangan natin ngayong hapon na ito kung ganun pa rin po ang gagawin ng NCF Tigers ngayon na makakaharap muli nila ang ACLC Hawks sa ating second round dito sa ating elimination round. Kung kaya po, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors: sa Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, Katie Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge, ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corp, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bucal. Special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, our Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Mo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Yan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. And as we can see, the green and blue community is now shouting. As in just a few minutes, we're going to start this great matchup dito sa ating Juniors Division. At nasabi na nga natin kanina, itong ating NCF Tigers handang-handa ngayong hapon para iuwi muli ang kanilang panalo at walang talo for this season of Bucal. Let's hear it from Maui kung anong update on their side. Maui, anong balita?
Good afternoon, basketball fans from all around the Bicolandia. This is your courtside reporter Maui Balane reporting from the side of the NCF Cubs. Grit and prowess, the unyielding courage they have shown to stay on top of this league. Truly a formidable team. That is the NCF Cubs, showing their passion every time they put their A game in the hard court. I had a chance to talk with the head coach of the NCF Cubs, Coach Alwin Margalio, wherein he mentioned that the team is confident but never complacent, as the team knows how prepared their opponent are. That is why they adjusted their game plan for them to notch a win that is crucial for today. Now for more live action, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan, handang-handa po ngayong hapon na ito ang ating NCF Tigers. And doon sa mga past games nitong ating NCF Tigers, kaya talagang kitang-kita natin yung kanilang determination dito. At isa talaga po sila sa inaabangan teams dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 because from the very start, we can really see the great offense and defense of the NCF Tigers. Kaya ngayong hapon na to, gaano ba nila pinaghandaan itong laban nila against the ACLC Hawks dahil katulad nila, handang-handa rin itong ating ACLC Hawks na makipagharapan sa kanila because they really want to get that top spot at makabawi doon sa unang pagtatapat nila against the NCF Tigers. So let's see on the side of the ACLC Hawks kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustment para makuha yung magandang laro dito against the NCF Tigers. At dito nga sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks, talagang andito yung mga players na talagang nagbigay last game nila ng napakagandang laban dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. And as we can see, yan dito sa ating NCF side, yan ang ating mga high schoolano dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Talagang hindi sila nagpahuli para makita itong napakagandang bakbakan ng ACLC Hawks and NCF Tigers. We also have the cheering squad of the NCF Tigers na talagang andyan sumusuporta sa bawat laro ng mga Tigre. While on the other side, itong ating ACLC Hawks Blue on the other side, napakagandang tingnan dahil alam naman natin even on the previous season of Bucal, itong ating ACLC Hawks, isa talaga sa mga supportive na fans. Talagang pinupuno nila yung ating Ateneo Gymnasium para sa kanilang suporta dito sa kanilang mga manlalaro. Kung kaya talagang nabibigyan ng pagkakataon itong ating mga players, mas nadadagdagan yung kanilang determinasyon to really play kasi napakaganda ng suporta na binibigay sa kanila ng kanilang school as well as their schoolmates na kahit anong mangyari, hindi talaga sila iniiwan. And now we can hear the cheering of the NCF squad as well as the ACLC Hawks. And ayan na po, we're going to start the matchup for the top spot ng ating Division 1 of the Juniors Basketball. The Naga College Foundation Tigers going against the ACLC Hawks. Now let's meet the first 5 of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. Wow. Papakilala na po ang first or the starting lineup ng ACLC Hawks. Napakagandang laban para dito sa ating Friday matchup. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dahil siguradong bibigyan tayo ng magandang laban nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now on the other side, pinapakilala na rin po ang ating starting lineup on the side of the NCF Tigers. Bago tayo magsimula, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Kyla Casulia, Peter Gadi, Lorenzo Campoda, Isaiah Lance Ongsate at kay Danilo Tensinas na grabe yung suporta dito sa atin. Now, we can see the starting lineup of the NCF Tigers: Diamante, Loria, Vargas, Sotpin, Diamante, and Borromeo. The top players of the NCF Tigers na talagang laging nating nakikita dito na nagbibigay ng napakagandang laro. Of course, yung ilang beses na natin naging player of the game from the side of the NCF Tigers, we have RD Vargas and John Borromeo dito sa side ng NCF. And of course, Loria having that height advantage. Talagang isa din sa pinagkakatiwalaan dito sa loob ng NCF Tigers. We also have Diamante, isa talaga sa mga napakaganda kung maglaro dito, as well as Sutpin. And now we will see kung ano nga ba yung ipapakita pa dito ng ating starting lineup as we are going to start this first quarter of the game. Meron pa tayo ditong isa-shoutout kay Willie Obnyala. Ayan, watching from Canada. Yan, former ACLC student, batch 2023. Thank you so much po sa inyong pagantabay at kahit medyo malayo na sila, andyan pa rin yung suporta nitong mga dating estudyante nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Here are the starting lineup from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre, Guarin, the team captain, jersey number 5, Bautista, jersey number 8, Bien, and jersey number 7 on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Loria and Guarin for the tip-off. First ball possession here. Now let's see. What will this matchup be kind of this afternoon? Now let's see as the tip-off here. Guarin and Loria. Now let's see, first ball possession goes to NCF Tigers. Pero agad-agad nagkakagawan dito. Diamante having that between Guarin and Bien. Hindi binitawan ni Diamante, but let's see again for the second time here. First ball possession goes to the ACLC Hawks. That pass on the inside. Basagre getting that first basket on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now we're only starting, but the fans going wild on inside here of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Supin having that first 3-point shot from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now it's still here, Diamante. No good on that one. Another steal here, Borromeo going inside, getting that ball. And a back-to-back points coming from the side of the Tigers. Now let's see. Jersey number 7 now, pass to Bien. Heavily guarded here. Bautista to Guarin. A big man there, getting that foul. And a bonus free throw here. Now, an early intense matchup between the ACLC and the NCF Tigers. Talagang kapag yung ating ACLC Hawks and NCF Tigers yung nagkaharap dito, talagang you can really expect a good fight and a good matchup. No Guarin. No good. Borromeo now on the run. Passes to Supin. Supin now loses that. It will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. "17 seconds to shoot here. Supin passes here to Vargas. Vargas for 3. No good. Basagre now with the rebound. With their ball possession here. Passes on the inside. Thrice. No good. Now, ACLC Hawks, yung nagkahabol ng isang puntos. And to hear an update coming from the side of the Hawks, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, any updates?
Salamat din and hello to our viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page, One Media TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Nandito tayo sa courtside at grabe ang init ng atmosphere dito. Both teams are super focused, ready now for this high-stakes matchup. The ACLC Hawks are coming into tonight's game with a 6-1 record. Just one defeat so far for this season. They've been fierce on both ends of the court, and you can tell they're ready to go all out to hand the NCF Hawks their first loss. The key matchup tonight is going to be how the Hawks handle the Cubs defense, which has been locking teams all season. That's all the updates from the side of the ACLC Hawks. This is Shulmar Sanyaniano on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Now the ACLC Hawks will give their all for this matchup against the NCF Tigers, and we can really see that. Very determined itong ating ACLC Hawks ngayon. But with this few minutes of our first quarter, 4-point lead yung hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Now Vargas on the free throw line. 8-4 on our scoreboard. Now, ball possession of the ACLC Hawks here. What will they do now with that 4-point lead? Dahil alam naman natin, hindi dapat medyo malaki yung kalamangan dito sa dalawang kupunan. But still, they can do that easily. They can turn the tables on. Now, Basagre passes the ball to Bautista. Jersey number 7 to Guarin. Back to Bautista. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Tries, but a steal coming from Diamante. Vargas now with the ball. Vargas taking their time here. Gets it to Borromeo. Borromeo with 14 seconds. Borromeo going inside. Passes it to Loria. Good assist and good communication here between Borromeo and Loria. And this is what we're talking about here. Loria having that height advantage at isa sa pinagkakatiwalaan dito dahil kapag nasa baba talagang siguradong papasok ito para kay Loria. And now a timeout was called here. 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. 10-4 on our scoreboard. Big 6 points. Yung 6 points sa kalamangan na to medyo malaki na para dito sa tapat ng ACLC Hawks and NCF Tigers. And after this timeout, what will be the adjustment of these two teams? Kung tuloy-tuloy ba ito pag-arangkada ng ating NCF Tigers dito sa ating first quarter, or the ACLC Hawks will bounce back and get the lead against the NCF Tigers. Now, this is a good match dahil dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, agad-agad nagpakitang gilas itong sinasupin Loria as well as Vargas. Wala on the other side, talagang tinitingnan pa natin kung sino ba yung mag-step up dito. But Bien and Basagre as well as Guarin was there. So let's see kung ano nga ba yung kanilang magiging contribution dito para sa side ng Hawks. Now we are back on the ball game here. As this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Again, 10-4 on our scoreboard. Basagre heavy guarded by Vargas. Gets it to Bautista. Now to Guarin, but loses it. That's a turnover. Lost opportunity for the side of the Hawks here. Now let's see here. As the NCF Tigers on the lead. Diamante taking their time. Diamante passes to Sabine, now to Borromeo for a quick 3. Borromeo again as one of the key players of the NCF Tigers. We've seen him play all over again. We've seen him tries 3-pointers here. And now another steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. But a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Bautista now passes to Guarin. Guarin versus Loria, loses it. The ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. We're halfway through our first quarter. Almost halfway. Now Santiago and Aike will be joining the Cubs here. Vargas and Loria will take a rest. Now let's see. As Aike, isa din to sa talagang kailangan bantayan ng ACLC Hawks now. Now an early foul here for jersey number 7, Santiago of the NCF Tigers. Now ACLC's basketball. Pass on the inside. Jersey number 3, Basagre. One man, but Guarin. Ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers here. 13-4. Medyo napalaki na nung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. This is still their ball possession. 6 minutes and 21 seconds on the time clock. Now Aike. Taking their time here. Passes to Borromeo. Borromeo gets it to Sapin. Back to Aike. Now on the corner again, Borromeo. No good this time. Basagre with a rebound. Now ACLC Hawks naghahabol dito. Jersey number 20, Sandigan. Pass to jersey number 10. With a foul. Let's see a quick replay on that one as Razon getting that foul. And a chance for a 3-point play here. Now Razon on the free throw line here to adjust the score of the ACLC Hawks. (13-6). Make it 7 on the side of the Hawks here. Jacob, an exchange of Santiago. Now NCF Tigers are on the offense now. Borromeo passes here to Ike. 15 seconds to shoot. No, Ike gets into Borromeo. Borromeo, an inside pass, but a steal from the side of the Hawks here. Razon gets it. Basagre to jersey number 20, Sandigan. Back to Basagre. Now with 12 seconds to shoot here. Sandigan passes on the inside to Guarin. But a steal here from the side of the Tigers. Diamante. But a foul was whistled there. That was called to Lagundi. The NCF Tigers now on the penalty. 5 minutes and 10. That's good for the first free throw of Diamante. Now a quick shout out to Mercy Palpalatok, Lorenzo Campado, Orwin Nazareno, and Carmelo Grabata na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. Thank you so much for tuning in for this matchup of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. Now let's see. The zone without rebound. Lagundi now. Hindi ka na mawala sa side ng ACLC Hawks. But now, that's the steal coming from Borromeo. Borromeo tries, but a block here. Lagundi to Guarin. Guarin, one man, no good. But there will be a whistle foul. ACLC Hawks pa rin dito yung kailangan gumawa ng paraan as the gap of the AC or the NCF Tigers making it to 7 points. Biggest gap for this quarter. Now Basagre for his second free throw. That's good. Now Basagre, magpapahinga muna dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Suntolan will be in here. Now Murillo passes to Borromeo. Back to Murillo. 17 seconds to shoot on the side of the Tigers. Back to Borromeo. Borromeo going inside here. Murillo, good save there. Pero nakakaguan pa itong dalawang players ng NCF. Ike now with the ball. Passes it out the inside. Diamante taking a step here. Now, what will the ACLC Hawks? Pero, quick turnover here. An 8 seconds violation committed by the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, kailangan na nilang gumawa dito ng paraan because the NCF Tigers, medyo malaki na yung kalamangan na hawak dito. Now, let's see as Borromeo to inbound. Passes to Murillo. Back to Borromeo. Now, Jacob tries. No good. It will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks now. At this point, they need to do something. Razon loses it. Jamane was there to steal the ball. Making a point here for the side of the Tigers. And taking on the lead here. Now, Sandigan. Pass to Lagundi, now Razon. Guarin tries, that's good. Now, paunti-unti na nga itong ating ACLC Hawks. They just need consistency here with their plays. Murillo. 13 seconds to shoot. Aike with the ball. Back to Murillo. Now Murillo heavily guarded by Sandigan. Aike. Passes here. But a whistled foul. Razon with that foul. Jacob will be on the free throw line here for 2 shots. 18-10. Making it a 9-point lead here. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Now let's see on the second free throw of Jacob if he can make it to the 2-digit lead against the ACLC Hawks. No good on that one. Now chance here for the ACLC Hawks. Sandigan nagmamadali. So he's still coming from the side of the Tigers here. Aike. Passes here to Borromeo. Borromeo. Not that easy too. Now the NCF Tigers enjoying this game here. Sandigan. But the ball will stay on the side of the Hawks with 18 seconds to shoot. 21-10. 18 seconds, Sandigan to inbound. The pass is here to Razon. Back to Sandigan. Now what will they do now? Another turnover for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now this is not good for their side, as a lot of turnovers has been committed on their side. Now Borromeo magpapahinga. Kamins in for the side of the Tigers. Now Aike. Kamins. Murillo tries for 3. No good. Razon with the rebound. Now, Sandigan. 13 seconds on the shot clock here. Lagundi pass to Razon. Back to Lagundi, but loses it. Murillo. Back to ACLC yung bola. Now, yung kailangan ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks dito, magandang play and communication sa mga player. Because dito sa ating first quarter, they're losing it. Now, let's see. As we continue this one, Sandigan. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Sandigan. Guarin now with the ball. Ontolan tries. No good. Razon was there. Guarin tries again. Medyo nahihirapan sa open side ng ating ACLC Hawks because of that defense of the Tigers. Now let's see again. Will the NCF Tigers widen that gap of 11? On the corner here. Still no good for the side of the Tigers. Pero a foul here was whistled to jersey number 15. Jacob. Both teams are now on the penalty. 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining. The Lavieres now checking in. 21-10, 11-point lead of the NCF Tigers. 21-10, 11 point 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 lead of the NCF Nawantolan on the free throw line. No good on that first attempt. Now even yung ating mga free throw, importante dito sa ating ACL Seahawks to lessen the gap of the NCF Tigers. Now second free throw was good. Back to 10-point lead here. Now NCF Tigers. But a pushing foul was whistled to the zone. So Diamonds will be on the free throw line. Shout out to Arwin Nazareno, Jonas Sabana, JP Palmaria, Daniel Perez, John Trinidad, Andre Noel De Leon, and John Derek Brita. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pagantabay na. Cavins for his second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito kay Cavins. Now ACL Seahawks still struggling here to get a point. De La Piera still that ball. And it will stay on their side here. .54 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now let's see here, Cummins to inbound. Ike with the ball, 20 seconds to shoot. Murillo Gan with the ball. Now tries, still no good here. Cummins without rebound. 10 on the shot clock. Cummins tries one more time, passes to Santiago. Napakaganda nun para dito sa bagong pasok sa Santiago. Now ACL Seahawks on the offense, still struggling, and a steal. Pero Razon gets it back. Passes here to Bien with a foul. Chance here for a three-point play on the side of the ACL Seahawks. Bien for a three-point opportunity. 17 seconds remaining on our first quarter. That's good. Now NCF Tigers, last ball possession here for this quarter. De La Vieres, long pass, loses it. Meron pang pagkakataon dito yung ating ACL Seahawks para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ng NCF Tigers with that 10 seconds remaining. Buhay. Guarded here by the NCF. He's still from their side. Murillo now tries again for three. That's good! Buzzer beater on the side of the Tigers here. Murillo. Let's see. Again, that good 3 points coming from Murillo, ending it with a bang for the side of the NCF Tigers. 28-14. We will be back for more actions para sa ating second quarter only here on Oragon. And we are back for the second quarter of the matchup of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. And as we can see on the first quarter of the game, the NCF Tigers, napakaganda nung ipinapakita nila dito when it comes to the offense as well as the defense. Players ng ating NCF Tigers, lahat gumagalaw dito. A good communication between their team. While on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, medyo nahihirapan doon sa kanilang opensa. And napalaki na nga ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang kalamangan. So let's see after the first quarter, what will be the adjustment now on the second quarter of the game para dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now this their ball possession. Let's see as Guarin gets the first basket for this quarter. Now that's a good start for their team. Now let's see if this will continue up until the very end for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Ike with the ball. Passes it on the inside, but a whistled foul here. Why for that foul? 28-16, Basagre back on the court for the ACLC Hawks. As well as Ontolan. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Ike. Pero that will be an offensive foul. Called by Colton Murillo. Now ang dami nang nagpapa-shoutout sa atin dito sa ating live coverage. Shoutout kay Arwin Nazareno, Adrian Shano, Lasage Nicole Sandigan, Tintin Colarina Aquino, kay John Jory Basino at kay Jasly Arroyo na nagpapashoutout sa 7 Harmonia. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pag-antabay. Ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks here. And yung Hawks nga natin, yung naghahabol dito sa ating second quarter. Now let's see kung ano ba yung adjustment na gagawin nila ngayon dito. Dahil napalaki na nga ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang kalamangan. At para malaman yan, andyan si Zai na ating courtside reporter. Zai, take it away.
Then here we are starting the second quarter with determination and resiliency. This matchup is going to be easy for the ACLC Hawks since NCF has always been their biggest competitor since Season 5. We can see the Hawks go hard on their defenses. However, we need to focus on their shooting tools since it seems like dito sila nawawala. They have to be brave and show their feisty side inside the court. And they have to give it their all para manalo this court. That's all the updates I have for now. From the side of the ACLC Hawks, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga dito sa opensa or sa depensa muna tayo ng ACLC Hawks. Medyo maganda yung pinapakita nila. But on the offense side of the ACLC Hawks, ito yung kailangan nilang pagtuunan ng pansin. Dahil up until now, napakalaki pa rin ng kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. So let's see if there will be changes on their side. But itong ating NCF Tigers, a comfortable lead but still consistent and no complacency at all. And to know more updates, let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, update natin dyan.
Started strong to give a huge deficit for their opponent. Shows how prepared and recalibrated their game plan is as they battle against the number 2 seeded team in Division 1. Now that we are on the second quarter, we will be expecting a much consistent Cubs eager to win this game. Now for more live action, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, consistent pa rin itong ating NCF Tigers kahit pa magpasok or pagpasok pa lang ng ating second quarter. Now, that's a good thing for the side of the NCF Tigers because they're not really complacent doon sa kanilang napakalaking kalamanan. Because as we all know, the ACLC Hawks can do something and change it, the momentum dito sa ating second quarter. So, let's see as we are now down to the last 8 minutes and 6 seconds of the second quarter. Medyo mahaba pa to but ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari between these two teams. But now, Borromeo on his first free throw. That's good. 29-16 dito sa ating scoreboard. Borromeo. No good on that one. Now let's see here. ACLC's basketball. Passes to Guarin, blocked by Diamante. But it will stay on the side of the Hawks. At saka naman po ng lahat, punong-puno na po itong ating Ateneo Gymnasium at marami pa pong naghihintay sa labas. But sadly, we can't really accommodate itong napakadaming supporters ng NCF at ng ACLC Hawks. So, if you really want to watch this game, just tune in sa ating Bucal and Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages to watch this exciting game. Dahil nandito na po tayo sa ating second quarter. Now, NCF's basketball. Dalovieres getting that 2 points, extending the lead of the Tigers. Now, again, a steal from the side of the NCF. Vargas to Diamante. No good. Lagundi with that rebound. Pero there's a whistle here. Almost half itong kalabangan na hawak ng NCF Tigers. Yan, shoutout dito kay Kyle Otero at kay Joshua Arcangel na nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Now, as we continue this game, it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Lagundi. It was the foul. Lagundi. That's good for his first free throw. Now we can hear the booing on the side of the NCF Tigers and even the ACLC and the NCF community. Nagkakaroon dito ng friendly, hindi naman away, but they're really supporting these two teams. Now let's see as the NCF Tigers again with that advantage, having this ball possession. Vargas. We are now on the 7-minute mark. Borromeo tries to go inside, loses it. And that will be a turnover. Now this is a chance for the ACLC Hawks to lessen that gap and to make a good game out of it against the NCF Tigers. Now, Razon. Still from the side of the NCF, Borromeo. Another turnover. ACLC on the offense now. Lagundi. Passes to Razon. Back to Lagundi with 15 seconds to shoot here. Pass on the inside for Brian. Jersey number 7. Trying to find his teammate. Razon fires for 3. No good. Offensive rebound here. Bien tries one more time. This time it's good. (31-20), back to 11-point lead. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Sutpi. Pero tatawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 7 ng ACLC Hawks. 14 foul now on the side of the Hawks here. Now Sutpi passes to Vargas for a quick 3 here. Papaulan dito ng magandang opensa itong ating NCF Tigers. Now let's see what will happen on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Turnover after turnover para sa kanilang side. They need to do something here. Because 14 points, medyo mahirap yan habulin if they can really have a good communication here. So nakikita natin the NCF Tigers enjoying this game, giving their all here. And that's what the ACLC Hawks needs right now. Vargas dancing with Bautista. Now pass to Bromeo. No good, but Loria was there for his second chance point. Loria being consistent here for the side of the Tigers. Napakaganda palagi ng performance na ipinapakita niya. As well as Diamante with that steal. Borromeo now taking on, having this comfortable lead of the NCF Junior Cubs. Napatawag nga ng timeout dyan. 38-20. Now let's see a quick replay of that last sequence. Napakaganda dito. Diamante steals the ball. Then Borromeo getting it on the basket. Now with that, 18 points yung hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Napakaganda. Simula nung first quarter up until the second quarter, the NCF Tigers consistently showing us a good fight here against the ACLC Hawks. Kaya ito yung kailangan naman ngayon ng kabilang kupunan, because we're seeing they're struggling to get on the offense as well as magandang depensa dito against the NCF Tigers dahil talagang nakakalusot din naman dito at napakaganda ng play ng mga nagagawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers. So let's see after this timeout if there will be changes for the side of the ACLC Hawks now. They need to do something. And after this timeout, let's see if the ACLC Hawks is ready to conquer this matchup at makuha yung kalamangan against the NCF Tigers to really determine this afternoon who will be the number 1 sa ating juniors division. Now jersey number 7 on the side of the ACLC Hawks with the ball possession. 5-minute mark here. The ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 7 to inbound. Seconds to shoot for the side of the Hawks here. Grabe yung depensa dito ng NCF Tigers. Loria steals that ball. Diamante now. Good combination of the steal, loses it. But that will be an offensive foul called to Diamante. Dulo in exchange of Diamante here. And with that, timeout was called from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. 38-20 on our scoreboard. We only have 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining here. 18 points, napakalaki nung hawak na kalamangan ng Junior Cubs dito. Kaya a quick shout out to Jonash Amparado, Jasper Yabante, Emmanuel Agora, kay Joad, kay Lorenzo Campado na kanina pa sumusuporta dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And marami pa pong tao doon sa labas ng ating Ateneo Gymnasium naghihintay dito na merong upuan at mapanood ng live dito sa loob ng Ateneo yung napakagandang laban nitong ating dalawang kupunan. The matchup, meron pa tayong aabangan dito because the ACLC Hawks having that kailangan maghabol dito against the NCF Tigers. Kaya talagang bibigyan tayo ng magandang laban and meron pa tayong napakaraming minuto at titingnan natin if they can do something here to lessen that gap of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now we are back on the ball game. Again, 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. ACLC's basketball. Jersey number 7 now passes to Ontolan. Ontolan to Bautista, but Borromeo was there. Hindi na-anticipate ng ACLC Hawks yung mabilis na galaw dito ng NCF Junior Cubs. Now Borromeo again. No good. Bian was there for the rebound. Bautista now with the ball. But a whistle foul. Jersey number 12 here. Vargas with that foul. First free throw was good. Both teams are now on the penalty as we're approaching the end of our first half. Bautista. That's good. Ike back on the court. Borromeo now with the ball possession. Pin back to Borromeo. Now let's see what will be the gameplay here of the NCF Junior Cubs. Taking their time. Sadulo with the ball. Back to Borromeo. 10 seconds on the clock. Sadulo no good. Rason getting it. Will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. No good on that first attempt of Razon. Now on the second one, let's see. Free throws are very important now. Still no good here. Gloria without rebound. Sipi now with the ball. NCF Junior Cubs. Goes on. Para dito kay Sutpin. Ontolan. Will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks now. Doon sa mga past games nitong ating NCF Junior Cubs, talagang consistent yung mga players nila. From Borromeo, Vargas, Loria, from the offense as well as the defense, talagang pinapakita tayo ng magandang laro dito. While on the other side, Sandigan having that big three. At si Sandigan nga, yung last game nila talaga yung nagbigay dito ng puntos sa ACLC Hawks. And now let's see if kung ngayon ba itong si Sandigan mag-step up para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks to get on the lead against the NCF Tigers. Now Garin will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 40-25, 15-point lead of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Garin on the free throw line. At yan nga po. No good on that second attempt, and it will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. At makakasama din po natin ngayong hapon ang ating isa pang commentator, si Rick Puerta. Nagbabalik dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now, let's see us, the NCF Tigers, Murillo with the ball. 13 seconds on the shot clock here. Murillo heavy guarded by Sandigan. Goes inside. No good. Razon with that rebound. Buhay now. Tries to go on, no good. Supin with a steal. Now NCF Junior Cubs taking their time here. Both teams are now on the penalty. 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
Ayan, good afternoon Bicolandia. At sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin live na live dito sa Oragon Sports TV, ayan patuloy nga ang bakbakan between these NCF Tigers and ACLC Hawks. 40-25 on our scoreboard. Again, hello everyone. My name is Rick Puerta, one of the commentator here sa ating Bucal Season 6. And I'm back para dito sa ating larong ito. Now, Loria. No good on that first attempt. So, an early domination on the side of the NCF Tigers. 40-25 sa ating scoreboard. Medyo malaki ang kailangan ditong habulin ng ating ACLC Hawks.
No, it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Murillo with that call. Gorin now on the free throw line. No good. Na kung kailan kailangan itong ating ACLC Hawks yung kanilang mga free throws, saka naman hindi na ipapasok. Still a 15-point lead here. Stuck on 25 ang ating ACLC Hawks. Now let's see for the second free throw of Gorin. Still no good here.
Another wasted opportunity para sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Now, Aike. May hawak ng bola, looking his teammate. 2 minutes remaining para dito sa ating first half. Sutpin fires for that 3, no good.
Another foul was whistled to Aike. Ito na yung kanyang third personal foul. Kailangan nila ditong Navasagre on the free throw line here for 2 shots. Let's see. First free throw, that's good. (40-26) on our scoreboard. ACLC Hawks. Napakalaki yung kailangan nilang habulin dito against the NCF Tigers. Pasagre again with the second free throw. That's good. Team basket for him. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating NCF Tigers. 40-27, 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Now Rick, a big advantage on the side of the NCF Tigers, having this 13-point lead. Pero hindi pa rin sila nagpapakampante dito, even though itong ating ACLC Hawks medyo nahihirapan sa pagkuha ng puntos dito sa ating second quarter. At meron na lang tayong natitirang 2 minuto bago pa magtapos itong ating first half. But still, itong ating ACLC fans, Rick, talagang nagkahangad sila na mag-bounce back itong ating ACLC Hawks at pakitaan tayo ng napakagandang laro dito. While on the other side, the NCF Tigers still on the lead. Very comfortable lead, pero hindi talaga nila binibitawan yung napakagandang opensa at depensa na kanilang hawak ngayon.
Talagang pag binanggit ang ACLC and NCF, ang supporters talagang napakarami. Kumbaga, ito yung chance nila para ibigay yung supporters dito sa mga teams na ito. And on the ACLC side, alam natin ang capabilities nitong ating ACLC Naga. So yung NCF Tigers, kahit papaano, hindi dito nagiging kampante. Because we know, Basagre and the rest of this ACLC Hawks kayang bumawi dito sa ating natitirang 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Let's see kung anong gagawin ng kanilang koponan na pagbawi dito after the timeout.
Now let's see as this the NCS basketball. Borromeo with the ball. 12 seconds to shoot here. Now goes inside. Basket counts with a foul. Now that's how that quick replay of Borromeo. Tatlong bantay sa baba, but still conquered that guard of ACLC Hawks.
Another chance for Borromeo to add their score here sa ating second quarter. Again, Borromeo showing us kung gaano siya kagaling dito sa ating liga. So, player to look out para dito sa ACLC Naga kung gusto nilang makabawi.
Yan nga, Rick, we're talking about the consistency of Borromeo here, na best na player of the game ng ating NCF Tigers, at talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita niya. But let's see as the ACLC Hawks have this ball possession. Guarin, Rice, basket counts with a foul. Now, ito yung kailangan ng ating ACLC Hawks now. Quick replay on that one. Guarin, big man of the Hawks here. Ito yung kailangan ng ACLC Hawks na kahit sobrang higpit ng depensa ng ating NCF Tigers, nagagawa nila ng paraan. At paunti-unti nakukuha nila yung kanilang puntos at mabawasan yung malaking kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Guarin now. 3-point play here. Buhay still from the side of the Hawks here. Now let's see. Basagre with the ball. Good gameplay. Rice, no good. Rason was there for that offensive rebound. Pass on the outside. Buhay for 3. Still no good. But this time it will be the ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
So yun ang kailangan dito ng ACLC Hawks. Ang kanilang mini runs para at least maidikit dito ang kanilang score sa ating NCF Cubs. Now Sudpin to inbound. Passing the ball to Borromeo. And now Loria. Miss hit on the last sequence.
Basagre di diretso. Pero meron ng foul na naitawag dyan. "47 seconds remaining for our second half. Basagre now on the free throw line. Now there's 2 free throws. Kailangan maipasok ng Basagre. No good on that first attempt. Now let's see on the second free throw of Basagre. 43-30, 13-point lead of the NCF Tigers. 47 seconds remaining. Now Basagre, second free throw. Still no good. Guarin for an offensive rebound. And he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Those free throw opportunity na sinasayang dito ng ACLC. Ang kailangan nila ditong gawa ng adjustment or paraan. Because dahil dito sa mga chances na nasasayang on the side of the ACLC Hawk, nahihirapan sila dito. And right on cue, wala pa din on that free throw opportunity. So again, the score will remain on 43-30. At kitang-kita nga natin dito, Tina, nahihirapan sa ating free throw line ang ACLC Naga.
Wala pa rin para dito kay Guarin. 4 na puntos yung nasayang dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks with that free throw opportunities. Now, let's see as the NCF Tigers on the offense now. Taking their time, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Sutpin. 5 seconds. Sutpin heavily guarded. Gloria now to release the ball. No good. At naubusan na nga dyan ng oras. 21 seconds remaining. Last ball possession here for our first half. Ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see here what will happen with that last seconds of the second quarter. Basagre taking their time. They need to lessen that gap of the NCF Tigers. Basagre. 7 seconds on the clock. Goes inside, pass on the outside. Sandigan tries for 3. No good. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating second quarter. 43-30 still. NCF Junior Cubs with a 13-point lead. Babalik po kami for the second half of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng bakbakang Hawks and Cubs. Now, we are in our second half. 43-30 ang ating iniwang score. Let's see kung makakabawi ba dito ang kupunan ng ACLC Hawks or will the NCF Cubs really dominate this game para dito sa araw na ito.
At ayun nga Rick, yung 13 points na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers, napakadali lang yan habulin if ever man itong ating ACLC Hawks dito sa pagpasok ng ating second half ay talagang gumawa ng paraan para maging maganda yung kanilang depensa na ibibigay dito sa NCF Tigers at magawa din nila ng paraan yung kanina pa nilang problema, which is the offense on their side. Now, the third quarter will now approach. Now, let's see what will happen here. If the NCF Tigers patuloy lang sa pagpuntos dito o ito na yung magiging chance ng ACLC Hawks to get on their momentum and take on the lead here against the NCF Tigers.
Ayan, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1, Ateneo de Naga University, KD Sportswear and Apparel, owned and managed by Department of Agriculture, Bucal, Duty Free Philippines. Shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. So yan, nagsisimula na nga ang ating third quarter.
Now it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Sandigan with the ball. 13-point lead ang hawak dito at kailangan nilang habulin. Sandigan passes on the corner for 3. Now Bautista opening the third quarter with a bang for the side of the Hawks here. Naibaba na nga sa 10 ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers.
What a great way to start this second half para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Now let's see on the side of the Cubs. And out of bounds ball, so turnover ang makukumit dito ng Cubs, ball possession ng ACLC Hawks.
Now, Rick, talking about the turnovers dito sa ating first half, the ACLC Hawks committing 31 turnovers. Kung kaya naman napakarami nung nawalang opportunity on their side. While ang daming steal na nakuha dito ng NCF Tigers, kaya naman napakalaki nung kalamangan na nakuha nila dito against the ACLC Hawks. Now titingnan natin if itong ating NCF Tigers magtutuloy-tuloy ba yung pagkuha nila ng puntos dito against the ACLC Hawks. Now that we're in third quarter, very crucial na at kailangan na talagang gawin yung lahat para talagang makuha yung napakalaking kalamangan and the momentum that they need. At ngayon, ball possession ng ating NCF Junior Cubs, at para makikita yung update all the way from the side of the Tigers, let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and T, an era of reclaiming their crown with their patience of strengthening their defense and offense makes it easier for them to execute their game plan. Coach Alwin encourages his players na wag lang puro galaw, pag-isipan din ang galaw, especially that the Hawks are making its huge efforts para dumikit sa NCF Cubs. Now for more live actions, tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Team.
Ayan, thank you so much Maui for that update. So NCF Cubs, mayroong mission dito sa araw na ito to completely sweep this ACLC Naga at para madepensahan ang kanilang 0 loss dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Aabangan natin dito kung magiging consistent ba ang players on the side of this NCF Cubs. And matatawagan nga dito ng foul si Borromeo on that last sequence. Ayan, ready na din ang side ng ACLC Naga to give us an update. Tawagin natin si Zay. Hi Zay, anong update dyan?
Break it in, starting the third quarter, and the ACLC Hawks are still trying to close the gap against the undefeated NCF Cubs. One notable side was Jade Guaren, whom is jersey number 14 is back on the hard court despite that left eye injury. The Hawks know that they need to step it up if they want to catch up. The coach was really emphasizing one message at yan ay wag matakot, wala dapat takot na ipakita. Pinapaalala naman ni coach na wag maglaro ng may takot and be aggressive, play physical and be assertive sa galaw nila. There's still a lot of things that can happen sa loob ng third quarter, so balik muna sa inyo, Cricket.
Thank you so much, Zay. Ayan nga, walang takot kung dapat maglaro itong ating ACLC Hawks. Dahil kung makikita natin ngayon that they're playing with the undefeated team NCF Tigers, ito siguro yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nakukuha ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang full potential sa matchup na ito. So, coach really emphasizes na dapat hindi matakot itong ating mga players dahil kung matakot nga sila, hindi talaga nila magagawa yung mga magagandang gameplays na talagang ibinigay sa kanila. But now, let's see as this is the ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs.
Borromeo, may hawak ng bola. No good on that attempt. And the ball will remain on the side of these NCF Cubs. So kanina nga nabanggit dito ng courtside reporter on the side of ACLC Naga yung takot factor na hawak dito ng kupunan nila. And 43-33. Konting magandang depensa at opensa lamang at kaya itong mahabol ng ating ACLC Naga. So this is the time na kailangan ditong i-showcase kung ano ang pinag-trainingan or pinag-practicean dito ng ACLC Naga. So yan, ang aabangan natin dito sa larong ito.
Yan, how much more ngayon, Rick, na itong ating NCF Junior Cubs medyo nahihirapan sa kanilang opensa dito sa ating third quarter. So the ACLC Hawks needs to do something at gawin nila tong oportunidad para makuha yung puntos dito against the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, this is still their ball possession here with 14 seconds to shoot. 10 puntos pa rin yung hawak dito ng ating Junior Cubs. Now, let's see. As Basagre will inbound the ball now. Basagre passes. Medyo nahihirapan dito with that defense of the NCF Junior Cubs. Razon. Loses it. NCF on the run here. Vargas.
Vargas passing the ball to Sutpin. They need good offense right now. Now tries for that three, no good. Chance for the ACLC Naga here to add their score.
Now Razon saves that ball. 16 seconds here. Needs to do something. Guarin, big man, getting inside. Putting a point here. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng NCF.
Great point conversion para dito kay Guarin now. Aike, anong gagawin dito on the side of their team? Missed opportunity on the side of the NCF Cubs. But a great steal coming from Vargas. Sutpin tries for that long three in and out ball.
Now, very intense game, Rick, as we are seeing right now. And that ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
What a great hustle inside the court para sa ACLC Naga. Talagang pinapahirapan dito ang NCF Cubs to produce points para madagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan. Now, ano kayang gagawin dito ng NCF Cubs para madagdagan? Kasi medyo natenga na dito sa 43 ang kanilang score. Now, Aike looking for his teammate. 9 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Cubs. Aike goes inside. And another missed opportunity, but great still on the side of the Cubs.
Napakaganda ng depensang ipinapakita ngayon, Rick, ng ating ACLC Naga. Ito yung hinihintay natin kanina pa. At kung makikita mo nga ngayon, Rick, nahihirapan na yung ating NCF Tigers to convert a point. Big thanks doon sa naging improvement ng depensa dito ng ating ACLC Naga. And right on cue, nakuha nga ng ACLC yung kanilang ball possession. Pero poor communication between Sandigan and Basagre. But still, marami pa tayong oras para sa pagbuntos ng ACLC Hawks.
Napakagandang defense ang binibitawan dito ng ating ACLC Naga. Now NCF Cubs, they need this one with 10 seconds on the shot clock, pero Basagre libreng-libre para sa layup na yon. What a great point conversion. Let's take a look one more time for that replay, and again Basagre and the rest of the ACLC Naga. Napakagandang bawi. But right now, these both teams nagkakaroon na ng tension inside the court. Now let's wait on the announcement of our referee here. 43-37 on our scoreboard.
Rick, naibaba sa 6 na kalamangan ng ating ACLC Hawks. Napakagandang change of momentum. Ito na yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina na pagpasok ng third quarter, kailangan ng gumawa ng paraan itong ating Hawks, and talagang binuhos na nila doon sa kanilang offense as well as the defense. But still, the NCF Tigers having the 6-point lead, and meron pa rin silang pagkakataon dito na makuha ang panalo.
Now, ACLC Naga fans, talagang love na love nila ang nakikita dito sa loob ng court. Kasi paunti-unti nakakakuha ng magandang momentum dito ang kanilang koponan.
Quick shoutout lang tayo dito kay Ian Jake Olaso, Rocky Sibuyo, Jillian Magadia, Lizlen Habala, at kay Edison Brago. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pag-antabay. Nasa penalty na nga itong ating NCF Junior Cubs.
Now, substitution on the side of this NCF Cubs. Ibabalik dito sa loob si Borromeo because NCF Cubs needs to wake up right now. 43-37 on our scoreboard. And now Basagre will be having 2 shots here. So only 1 shot para dito kay Basagre to add their score here. Let's see kung makakakuha siya ng magandang basket and right on cue.
And with that, Rick, a timeout was called here on the side of the NCF Junior Clubs dahil nga paunti-unti nang nakukuha nitong ating ACLC Hawks yung kanilang momentum. Yung kaninang 20 points na hawak ng NCF Junior Cubs ay ngayon po naibaba na muli sa 5 puntos na lamang. Kung kaya't napakaganda na nung sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Pero tumawag ng timeout yung ating NCF Tigers. Dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari dito. If pagkatapos itong ating timeout, the NCF Tigers babawi dito at ititigil yung napakagandang momentum na nagawa doon ng ating ACLC Hawks. So it will be an advantage and disadvantage for this both teams. And now we only have 4 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. Fans of the ACLC community and the NCF community cheering for their respective team.
Ayan, it's a matter of consistency and great offense-defense para dito sa ating lalong ito because both of these teams talagang magaling na when it comes to basketball. It's just that nagkakaroon tayo ng matinding pagkakaiba when it comes to the errors na hawak ngayon ng dalawang kupunan. And right now, the NCF Cubs having difficulty when it comes to their offense. And let's see on this remaining time, 4 minutes and 51 seconds, kung makakabawi ba at magkakaroon ulit na magandang momentum ang NCF Cubs.
And now, this is their ball possession. Let's see if there will be changes after that timeout. Stuck on 20 or on 43 itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now Sapin passes on the inside to Borromeo. Loses it. For communication doon between Jacob and Borromeo. Now with that 5-point lead, pwede pang maibaba ng ACLC Hawks. Now this ball possession is very important on their side, but look at the defense of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now let's see as Lagundi with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot here. Lagundi pass on the inside. Basagre getting that basket with a foul. And now this is a 3-point opportunity for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Good comeback para dito sa ating blue community. After that struggle during the first and second quarter, third quarter is for the side of the ACLC Hawks.
This is the moment na hinihintay ng lahat ng fans ng ACLC Hawks. The comeback or bounce back para dito sa ating laro. And now Basagre for the 3-point play opportunity, but sadly hindi makakapasok ang shot na yon. Now the NCF Cubs itatawid ang bola dito. 43-40. 3 points ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. And another skill. What a great play coming from the ACLC Hawks. And with that layup, naibaba sa isa ang dapat habulin ng ACLC Naga. Wow! What a great comeback para dito sa larong ito on the side of these Hawks.
Yes, Rick, we are on the exciting things para dito sa ating ACLC and NCF Junior Cubs. 43-42, the NCF Tigers. Medyo nag-struggle sila dun sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. But now let's see with that 7 seconds to shoot. What will happen now? Now Supin tries. That's good. Magandang bawi para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. Back to 3-point lead. Pero ngayon, as this is the ball possession of the ACLC, they have the chance here to tie the game. Now heavily guarded here. Basagre again with the ball. Passes to Guarin. Guarin getting that 2 points. back to 1-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Now this is what we're talking about. Top 2 teams para sa ating juniors division, NCF and ACLC. Napakagandang matchup ngayong hapon na to.
Now, Sutpin will try. No good. Chance for the ACLC Hawks para makalamang on this matchup, and right on cue, the table has turned para sa ACLC Hawks. Wow! What a great chase para dito sa ating larong ito on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman napakaingay ng supporters ng ACLC Naga. And now, NCF Cubs. What will their team do para makahabol or at least magkaroon ulit ng kalamangan dito? Because right now, sa ating natutunghayan or natutuklasan, this ACLC Hawks ang may hawak ng momentum sa araw na ito.
Ayan nga rin, napakaganda nung naging journey ng ating ACLC from the first quarter, still struggling on getting on the offense. And then second quarter, talagang mas lalo silang nahirapan dahil mas napalaki pa yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. And now on the third quarter, after that last sequence, hindi po na ipasok ni Borromeo doon sa oras ng NCF Junior Cubs. And this is a big opportunity and a chance for the ACLC Naga to take on the lead and to widen that 1-point gap against the Junior Cubs. Now, this is their ball possession here. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Ontola now passes to Bautista. Now, Razon with the ball. Passes to Guarin. Big man. Chance here. No good. Ball will stay on the side of the Hawks. Still have an opportunity here. Or it's for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs.
Now, right now, NCF Cubs naman ang medyo nahihirapan dito na magkaroon ng magandang play. ACLC Hawks, kung gusto nilang makuha ang panalong ito, kailangan nilang maging consistent. And now, NCF Cubs may hawak ng bola. Chance for their team para makuha ulit ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Now, Aike passing the ball to Hakub. But a traveling violation was called on Hakub on that last sequence. Again, NCF Cubs talagang nahihirapan dito and a bit tense sa loob ng Ateneo ni Naga Gymnasium.
Now, Bautista passes to Razon. Tries for a long two, no good. Pero it will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Ang dami ng opportunity dito para sa kanila, but still struggling to get on the lead here. A minute and 24 seconds remaining. 45-46. Isang putos para sa ACLC Hawks. Now Aike with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Goes inside. But a whistled foul. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. 2 free throws para kay Aike.
So NCF Cubs really need this free throw opportunity to tie this matchup or even makalamang sa kanilang opponent. But this time, NCF hindi dito nakakagawa ng magandang opensa. Now, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang magandang momentum sa pagtapos ng ating third quarter na dadalhin on our fourth and final quarter? Now, Aike again. But this time, makakakuha ng basket. Deadlock at 46.
Now, mahaba-haba pa po ang laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito as bien Borromeo steal that ball. Aike cutting that fast break, taking on the lead here against the ACLC Hawks. Muling nabuhay itong ating NCF community after that last sequence coming from the Junior Cubs.
Grabe din ang pinapakitang matchup ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And remember guys, hindi pa ito ang championship match. This is just elimination round para dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. But the ambience and environment sa larong ito, parang championship match na dito sa dalawang kupunan.
And now, Rick, it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. At ito na po ang pangalawang beses na nagharap itong ating ACLC and NCF Junior Cubs dito sa ating elimination round. At una nga po, nakuha ng NCF Junior Cubs yung kanilang panalo. But let's see if may pagbabago ba yan. At kung makuha ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na to, they will be the top one on our juniors division, tying with the NCF Junior Cubs 8-1. But let's see, dahil meron pa tayong natitirang 51 seconds sa ating third quarter and another 10 minutes for our fourth and last quarter.
48-46. Now, free throw opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Very close and tight match between these two great teams, two top teams dito sa ating liga.
First free throw was good para dito kay Lagundi. 51 seconds remaining. Now second free throw, chance here to tie the game again. Now deadlock on 48 all. And another free throw para dito kay Lagundi. Chance to take on a 1-point lead here. 48 all, 51 seconds remaining. Lagundi with that one free throw. That's good. Naipasok pa yun. Santiago back on the court here for the NCF Junior Cubs.
Now, chance for the Cubs here to score. 45 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter.
Murillo with the ball. 10 seconds, rise. No good. Lagundi now with that rebound. 30 seconds remaining. Let's see. Still on the lead ng isang puntos dito ang ating ACLC Hawks. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Taking their time here. Lagundi. Now goes inside. Ball will stay on their possession. Foul was whistled to jersey number 7, Santiago. So 2 free throws will be given to Lagundi again. 15 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Lagundi. First free throw, let's see. That's good. 2 points ang hawak ngayon ng Hawks. Lagundi again for his second free throw to make it a 3-point lead here. Lagundi, second free throw. That's good. Clean basket para dito kay Lagundi.
So Lagundi making an impact here sa ACLC Hawks.
Now Murillo tries, no good. 1 second. And that's the end of our third quarter. Change of momentum here, having the ACLC Hawks on the lead, 48-51. We will be back for the fourth and last quarter of the game only here on the Ragan Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
for our fourth and final quarter. Again, matchup between the ACLC Hawks and NCF Cubs. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang larong ito. 51-48. Nabaliktad na nga ang ating scoreboard. And the lead is on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Borromeo and the rest of the squad kailangan mag-step up dito to get another point.
Pero hindi nga naipasok yan for the NCF Junior Cubs. Pasagre getting that first basket sa ating fourth quarter. Making a big change here for the ACLC Hawks. Now, grabe yung pagbabago dito sa pagsimula ng second half. Pero Vargas back on the court having that big three-pointer. 2 points. Yung hinahabol na lang dito ng NCF Junior Cubs, now Lagundi. Pass here to Razon. Ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
So yon ang medyo kinulang on that third quarter sa side ng NCF Cubs, ang kanilang magandang 3 points at magandang opensa. And now, is it a good sign on the side of NCF Cubs kung talagang mababawi nila dito ang kanilang momentum sa ating fourth quarter? And I think ready na to report ang ating courtside sa side ng ACLC Naga. Now, Zai, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Tin, here we are at the fourth quarter, or the last quarter of today's game. The Hawks managed to close the gap between the two teams, and nagiging effective nga ang strategy ng Hawks this time, wherein they initiate a fast but not rushed gameplay. Compared to their first few quarters, I can tell that they are more confident, more assertive this set. All they need to do is be consistent. Will they be finally able to defeat their all-time opponent? That's all. That's the question that we have here sa loob ng hardcourt. So Rick and Tin, ano ba ang masasabi nyo sa mga pangyayari sa loob ng court? That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ito na nga ba yung pagbabagong hinahangad ng ACLC Hawks? Will they get the win against the NCF Junior Cubs? At napakaganda nga nung sinabi dito ni Zai na naging confident na itong ating ACLC Hawks sa kanilang paglalaro ngayon. Now that they have the gap against the NCF Junior Cubs. But let's hear on the other side kung ano nga ba yung preparation nila dito sa ating fourth quarter. Let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. As we are now at the final stretch of this game, John Benedict Borromeo asked his team to have a teamwork and camaraderie as this plays a crucial role, and this also signifies as a lacking in the second and third quarter, making their opponent have a comeback. The pressure is on and they have no time to spare. The coaches urges their players to have their composure at wag magpadala sa crowd in this crucial moment. Now for more live actions, tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much Maui for that update. So, the NCF Cubs, sila naman ngayon ang medyo nape-pressure para sa ating laro. Sabi nga dito ng kanilang coach, don't be intimidated. Para dito sa ating NCF Cubs, 57-51. What a great point conversion again on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, NCF Cubs, anong gagawin dito para magkaroon ng magandang puntos at momentum?
No whistle foul there. 51-57. 6 points agad yung nailamang ng ACLC Hawks dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now this will be the ball possession still of the NCF Junior Cubs as Supin will inbound the ball here. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Now, NCF Cubs, sa lahat ng kanilang ball possession, kailangan ng point conversion, and right on cue, John Benedict Borromeo having the 2 points on their side. Now, bola ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Ball will remain on the side of the Hawks here, 53-57. Now, The Hawks needs to be consistent with their play now that the NCF Junior Cubs paunti-unti na ditong humahabol. Now let's see as Rizal with the ball. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Bautista. Now Bautista tries for 3. That's good! Big 3 coming from Bautista. Hindi pa talaga nila binibitawan yung magandang momentum na hawak nila dito for our fourth quarter. Back to 7-point lead here. Now let's see on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Vargas with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Borromeo tries. Babawi. No good. Marin with that rebound. But Borromeo steals that ball. Tries. That's good this time. Bumawi naman agad dito si Borromeo.
Now, on the side of this NCF squad, kailangan nila ditong tulungan si Borromeo para sa kanilang point conversion because right now, si Borromeo lamang dito ang nagkakaroon ng magandang mini runs on the side of the NCF Cubs. So let's see kung anong gagawin ng kanyang kupunan. Now, back to ACLC Hawks ball possession.
24 seconds violation was committed on the side of the ACLC Hawks. A lost opportunity for them. Now with a 5-point lead, the NCF Junior Cubs can easily get this and take on the lead again. So the ACLC Hawks needs to watch out sa kanilang mga gameplay dito. Now it's the NCF's basketball. So P now. Passes to Vargas, heavily guarded here. Vargas for a long 3, no good. Razon without rebound. The passes to Sandigan. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Now let's see as Razon with the ball for the side of the Hawks here. Still a 5-point lead. Guarin will be given a 2 free throws here after that whistle foul.
Great point. Free throw para dito kay Guarin on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 6-point lead. Now Vargas, itatawid ang ball on the side of the NCF Cubs. Passing the ball to Supin. No room for error on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Pero Loria was there to get it. Supin now. Vargas again to try. No good this time. Now let's see as the ACLC Hawks with the basketball again. 55-61. We're almost halfway through this final quarter of this matchup. Now, Bautista again passes to Guarin. Guarin, big man on the inside versus Loria. But Loria gets it.
Now, NCF Cubs on the ball possession. Sutpin will try one more time. Wala pa din para dito sa ating NCF Cubs.
Kung kanina nagpapaulan ng trust itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, medyo nahirapan na nila sila dito sa kanilang opensa. And with that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating NCF Junior Cubs dahil doon sa sunod-sunod na error doon sa kanilang team. 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining, 55-61 in favor of the ACLC Hawks.
Ayan, NCF Cubs needs to convert at this moment para sa kanilang kupunan. 55-61 in our scoreboard. And again, doon nga sa nangyaring kalamangan on that third quarter on the side of the ACLC Hawks, talagang na-maintain nila dito ang kanilang lead, 61-55. Another 6 points para habulin dito ng NCF Cubs. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Ems Bagadyong, Isaiah Lance Ong Sarte, Hurricane Kids Senaibur, Wam O'Connor, and JC Cornell. Thank you so much and happy viewing.
Yan, shoutout din tayo kay Mary Florence Lopez at kay Omar at kay John Basalas at James Andrenia na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkakabay.
Now, Borromeo to inbound para dito sa Cubs and Gloria. Borromeo-Gloria connection na gumana para dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now, ACLC Hawks on the offense, nagmamadali, and now Guarin again.
Patuloy-tuloy lang yung magandang momentum dito ng ating ACLC Hawks, but on the other side, bumabawi din naman itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. So it will be difficult to see kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na to. Now Diamante, an in and out ball. Lagundi with that rebound. Let's see here if the ACLC Hawks still continue to take on the momentum here. Now Lagundi, 15 seconds to shoot here for the Hawks. Passes to Guarin. Was a foul. Back on the free throw line. Guarin, 2 free throws will be given to him. 57-63. 6-point lead. Guarin, first free throw. No good. So, kailangan to ng ating ACLC Hawks if they really want to have this momentum up until the end of our fourth quarter. Now, Guarin for his second free throw. 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Still no good. So Borromeo gets that rebound. Chance here for the NCF Junior Cubs. Gets it! At ayun nga po, muling nakapunto si Borromeo. 59-63.
Again, Borromeo doing the job on the side of the NCF Cubs. Again, their teammates need to double their effort right now. ACLC Hawks with a ball possession. And the shot clock violation para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. And Diamante magkakaroon ng 2 shots para dito sa kupunan ng NCF Tigers. It's not yet over on the side of this NCF Cubs. 59-63. 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Mahaba-haba pa ang kailangang trabahuhin ng dalawang kupunan na ito to get their win.
Ayun nga, Diamante on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now this is a good thing for the NCF Junior Cubs. At unang free throw nakuha nga dyan, Diamante. 60-63. Now let's see. 4-minute mark on our matchup of these two great teams. Now let's see if Diamante can get it. The second free throw here. Diamante's second free throw. That's good. Now, only 2-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Will this be a chance again for the NCF Junior Cubs to get their momentum back? Or the ACLC Naga wouldn't make it to happen. Now, Sandigan, pass on inside Guarin. Tupas Sagre getting that 2 points. Still, the ACLC Hawks alive at this moment.
Now Borromeo, may hawak ng bola, passing the ball to Sudpin. Again, they need point conversion at this moment. Again, Borromeo passing the ball to his teammate. And whistle coming from our referee on that last sequence. Talagang bigil hininga na ang both teams para dito sa ating 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our game. Especially our fans here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. And now, ball possession ng ating NCF Cubs. 14 seconds to shoot. Sudpin passing the ball to jersey number 15, and now Diamante to Vargas. Borromeo.
Still no good here. Now ACLC's basketball. 4-point lead. Now let's see what will happen in the next sequence. Basagre getting a point again. And with that, let's hear a quick update coming from Zai from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Zai, take it away.
Rick and Tin, nandito na nga tayo at the last 3 minutes of the fourth quarter and wala na akong masabi dahil napakaganda nga ng matchup na pinapakita ng ACLC Hawks and ng NCF Cubs. It seems like they are still trying to be consistent with their strategy and their gameplay. Kaya na pang initay natin, Rick and Tin, take it away kasi baka kung ano pang mangyari sa loob ng court at marami pa tayong pwedeng makita. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. We can really feel your excitement at that moment because you're really happy that the ACLC Hawks having this 6-point lead. Now let's see what will happen on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Na ngayon nga sila yung naghahabol and we only have 2 minutes and 37 seconds. So let's see on the side of the NCF Tigers. Maui, what's the uptake there?
Walang gustong pimitaw. Parehong determinadong manalo para sa number 1 spot in Division 1. Will the Tigers transcend to adversity and win this match? We will find out that. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maui, for that update. So, ang pinaglalabanan dito ng dalawang kupunan is the first spot on this Division 1 sa Bucal Season 6. Pag nanalo dito ang ACLC Hawks, sila ang magiging number 1 on their division. Meanwhile, pag nanalo dito ang NCF Cubs, mananatiling malinis ang kanilang record with 9-0. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran at this moment.
Now an offensive rebound on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Still alive here, Sandigan with that ball. Still getting their momentum here for our fourth quarter. Now let's see if the NCF Junior Cubs can get or makakuha pa ba sila ng puntos dito as wala pa rin for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Razon, let's see. Again, dominating the last quarter of the game. Now a quick replay on that last sequence as Razon talagang nilagpasan yung dalawang gwardiya dyan sa baba. And 10-point lead po ang hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks with the last 2 minutes of the game. Now that's what we're talking about. Hindi dapat in-underestimate yung ating ACLC Hawks during the first half of the game kahit napakalaki na nung kalamangan. Because look at what happened at this quarter. The ACLC Hawks have their momentum, having the 10-point lead. Now let's see if the NCF Junior Cubs can bounce back and get their momentum here. At ngayon, titingnan natin if itong ating mga key players on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs, Borromeo, Vargas, Loria, and the others will step up and do something here. Shoutout kay Pia Recto, number 1 supporter ng NCF Junior Cubs. Talagang maluha-luha na dito dahil doon sa suporta sa NCF Junior Cubs. Now shoutout tayo dito, Rick, kay Christian Princess, Kurt Monte, Alan Bonyon at John Ray Pablo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdabay. Now we are back on the ball game with a 10-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. Last 2 minutes of the game. Now, this is still a long matchup between these two teams, but at this moment, we want to see a more intense game. Kailangan pa mapalapit ng ating NCF Junior Cubs yung kanilang puntos para mas magkaroon pa ng konting intensity dito sa ating laro ngayong hapon. Or gabi na po at maraming salamat sa nanonood pa rin sa atin hanggang ngayon.
Last 2 minutes para dito sa ating match-up, 10-point lead. Wow! What a great turn of events para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Now, Borromeo passing the ball to Sutpin. What a great block coming from the ACLC Hawks. And they are feeling it right now.
Yes, Rason blocks pin, but that's a backcourt violation. Now with that turnover dito sa NCF Junior Cubs, kailangan nila dito magawa ng paraan. Because a minute and 38 seconds will be short on them para makuha yung kanilang panalo with that 10-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now 14 seconds na lamang dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. Vargas, 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, Jacob will try again, but still from the side of the ACLC. Lagundina with the ball. Now, may bago na bang top 1 para sa ating Juniors Division or the NCF Junior Cubs. Nagawa ng paraan dito. But another steal here coming from Bautista. A minute and 9 seconds remaining. Napabayaan na nung NCF Junior Cubs itong ACLC Hawks. Now another steal here from Bautista. Now Lagundi. 18 seconds to shoot here. 51 seconds remaining. And the ACLC Hawks celebrating this 10-point lead.
So at this moment, we can now conclude who's gonna be our first spot on the Division 1. 61-72 on our scoreboard. What a game for these two teams. Ayan, thank you so much for all the supporters of both squad. We have the NCians and the ACLC Hawks community na talaga namang mas lalong pinainit ang bakbakan ngayong araw na ito. Now, no good. Offensive rebound para dito, pero naagaw ng NCF Cubs ang bola.
Now 40 seconds remaining here. Vargas, another steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Razon, pero Kamens steals that ball. Vargas now, 28 seconds remaining. If ever man po na manalo ang ating ACLC Hawks, they will be number 1. But they are tied with the NCF Tigers with 8-1 on their standing.
Congratulations to ACLC Hawks.
And with that, sila yung nakabahid ng napakagandang record po ng NCF Junior Cubs dito sa ating Juniors Division. Yung inaasan nilang 9-0, ngayon nakuha ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang napakagandang panalo with this good matchup between the NCF Junior Cubs. And sa ating pagbabalik, it will be our best player of the game only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Bucal Season 5, ang NCF ang isa sa pinakamalakas na kalaban natin. So how does it feel finally being able to beat them?
Unang-una po talagang masaya kasi pinagpaguran po talaga namin para makabawi po sa NCF. Yan yan.
Ay, so ano ba, after beating the Cubs, ano pa bang team ang pinag-ahandaan ninyo for this Season 6?
Yung mga paparating na laro po namin sa semis and finals. Yun po.
Well, may message ka ba sa mga future endeavors or mga kalaban mo for this season?
Maging stay humble lang po palagi, yun lang.
Okay, so may gusto ka pasalamatan, your team, your friends, your classmates, the director, anyone?
Unang-una po gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord God, binigyan kami ng panalo at gusto ko magpasalamat sa ACLC community, sa Sir Adrian, Litam sa asawa niya po, and sa coaches namin, Coach Diz, sa family ko po, si Tito Joey na nanood pa po, and sa nanay ko, sa papa ko, and sa mga nagsusupport. Yun lang po.
Okay, maraming salamat. There you have it, our best player of the game, John Bernard Basagre. This is Shulamar Zaimeniano here on Bucal's official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all for now. Have a good night and see you next time.
At Napakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than Basagre. Talaga namang pinakitaan tayo ng magandang turnaround of events ng ating ACLC Hawks. But nothing to be ashamed on the side of the NCF Cubs for showing greatness inside this court. So marami pa tayong aabangan dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. We will be back for more actions only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.